Hi, my name is Roy Madika. You can call me Roy. What's your name?
Hi Roy, my name is Muhammad Soleh Arung Alasis. You can call me Soleh.
Soleh. Where are you from?
I'm from in Makassar, and you?
I'm from in Toraja. Where do you live?
I live in Bonto Street, and you?
I live in Sukaria.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is football, and you?
My hobby is playing games. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried rice, and you?
My favorite food is fried chicken.
Okay.
Okay.